my workplace before 2017. I have worked in this place 2017, 16 and 17. I work in here, and then we move. So this is Haksa 1, not Haksa Beach, ha? Haksa 1. So I'm going to immigration department over there, Swiss Street Mall. So this is Haksa 1. The typhoon hits 2017. A lot of buildings here. This one, a lot of glass window was broken. The typhoon hits here last 2017. So now I am going to immigration department to try to apply my visa again, working visa. So thank you, Lord. I don't know. So I just extension visa. So okay. So very hot here, so I need to cover my head, otherwise market vlogger. I'm going to somewhere now because I want to apply new visa. I need to wait. I am a market vlogger. So have to do. So guys, ingat lahat. Yeah, take care of everyone, especially the hot weather. Need to protect our health, most especially here is very hot also. But only 28 degrees. So I'm sure in the Philippines it's more hot over there. So this is market. I cross the highway. I need to ride the number 7 bus to go to the immigration. I try my another journey in life. Work hard. Don't expect any people can help you. Only you or me can help myself. Okay. So I am thankful to those people, to this employer who trust me a lot. And to the people around me, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support, especially to my vlogs for beautiful clothes. But I have a lot of clothes. Where is the... I want to ride number 7 to go to Haksa 1. Sometimes I lost my way. I worked hard for 13 years, and 14 or 15, 15, almost 15 years. Here in the country where I am now, I have a lot of memories, my tears, happiness, sadness, my success, everything in this country, I got it. So I am thankful to God for everything. I only work to the circle of the family because they like me, they trust me, and they like my work. So the children before, I look after 1 year old, now it's more taller than me. And then the next child of my employer, the brother of my employer, now is 8 years old, going to 9. It's more, it's about until her than me. But I am not look after him, because I have found another job, stay out job. So he have another helper look after him, but we are always meet sometimes because I am working in the family only, so I need to take out my blow card, not blow card, my bus card. So okay, have a nice day and God bless. Bye bye.